Assalamu alaikum, soo dhawow waa macalin Abzi, kulan wanaagsan. Hi, I'm Teacher Abzi, nice to meet you. Welcome back to Somali with Abzi. And today, we are going to talk about phrases for shopping in Somali language. Diyaar ma tahay? Are you ready? I'm Bilono. Then let's begin. Now, if you're going to say, where is the closest store or where is the closest shop? We say in Somali, Away dukaanka dharka. So away means where, dukaan means a shop. So dukaanka means the shop. And dharka means the closest. So that's why we use in Somali most of the time, the with the names. So we say, Away dukaanka dharka. So if you're going to say maybe, the closest shop is at that junction and it's the opposite to the National Bank, something like that. So we say in Somali, dukaanka dharka wuxuu ku yaal isgoyskaas wuxuuna ka soo horjeedaa bangiga qaranka.